Yeah, hey, good morning, Cheetah. Specifically, I am off of Hughes Road in Dickinson this morning where we were seeing some light street flooding. Now, as you mentioned overnight, all that heavy rain did flood some homes, but luckily, I think the homes in this neighborhood did not flood, but we are seeing light street flooding. Now, since you guys last checked in with us about an hour ago, I've got two pieces of good news. It has stopped raining and the floodwater is starting to recede, as you can see, but the drainage is still overflowing and it's working overtime, as you can see there. And also across the street is Hughes Road Elementary School. The parking lot still flooded. And guys, I was here last month because of flooding. And you really got to feel for the folks who live here because a lot of them are still recovering from Harvey. And yet time after time, in the last couple of weeks, they've been dealing with street flooding quite often. But now that it has stopped raining, hopefully it'll all recede and go away by later today. Now we're going to toss it over to Doug, who's going to talk to you a little bit more about the rest of Houston. Hey, Doug.